I moved into the food service industry by accident, actually. Food was not my strong point. I happened to be sitting on the veranda of a friend near the Lambeau setting, and thought it would be nice to have a cafe in this area. I'm Giselle Beaubrun. I am the owner, operator, manager, chief cook and bottle washer at Sure Things Cafe and Craft. I've been doing this for 17 years in this location. We had somebody who made the food initially, a woman who I would call and tell her what we needed in terms of baked goods and cakes, and she would deliver them every few days to me. And when she moved away, she trained me, and I was able to continue, I think, her level of cuisine. Well, we started off being an extension of, people coming in and visiting. I like to play the music I like to listen to, offer foods that I like to eat, and have guests in a setting that is beautiful. I was lucky enough to find a building here in Lambeau. Our location is somewhat different. We're on the Atlantic coast. We chose this location because I enjoyed sitting opposite the sea, looking out at a friend's house a few years before I opened this. And the memory of that stuck with me. It can be very soothing to hear the sea. People come into the restaurant and then they step out onto the veranda, and that's when it hits them. The view, the birds, the trees. And then, of course, we feed them. So Sure Things Cafe and Craft caters to a wide variety of people. People who want to come and sit in a beautiful setting, who want to have a nice meal or a light offering, or order a meal and shop for local craft, local as much as possible. So we buy a lot of things from local people, local extending of course to Trinidad too, and using local materials. Our food is healthy with an emphasis on salads and high fiber foods, but there's the indulgence of a yummy dessert at the end of it. We try to source local ingredients for our menu. I get fish in Lambeau from the fishermen. There's a gentleman who grows lettuces and patchoys right around the corner. We try and buy local as much as possible, and every now and again we try and grow our own things. The use of technology is very important in marketing Sure Things. These days when print media sometimes goes by the side, or people are not, they're using a lot of social media, and we just have to keep up with that. And I've had to adapt to get the word out, and being consistent to get new product messages out, or being able to tell them about upcoming events. Technology has become really important in marketing. There have been challenges over the course of 17 years. The consistency of business, it's very seasonal here in Tobago. Consequently, you have to find a way of doing everything. So you tend to multitask, or I have tended to multitask. And, trying to have your finger in many pies, doing a lot of everything means you don't always get everything done. So finding staff who like to, do all the tedious things that need to be done in running a business like this when you want to keep things going, that's a challenge. To get the best results, one, out of staff, and for the establishment, you need to train people to know what to do from the bottom up. It's better that they understand why things are done in a particular way, and the detail, the attention to detail is important, and I have staff that are happy to do it. I measure the success of this business by the number of repeat clientele we have, and over a period of 17 years we have people who come back year after year, or every 3 years when they revisit Tobago, still asking for some of the same things. Our coconut cream pie is a favorite. That's the measure of my success. Future plans, or at least certainly plans that are evolving now for Sure Things, involve a market that we have the first Saturday generally of every month. This market is an open vendor market where people come in and bring their wares. We're probably going to be changing a couple of things. We plan to put in a lounge in one of the areas that was previously just craft. We might put in some sort of television so people can watch, events. My name is Giselle Beaubrun. This is Sure Things, and that's my tourism story.